that got this young lady to the top of that competition. It was voting that made us gather in halfway tree with our pot covers, our vuvuzelas, and our voices as our very own Jamaican sister walked away as the winner of the 2013 edition of The Voice. Tessanne is right here, right now, to perform for us at the I Love Jamaica Telethon. Tessanne, take it away.
How you doing, Jamaica? We're singing for you tonight, yeah. Listen, no matter what, no matter where, no matter how, oh, when you feel like giving up, don't you do it. Come on. Don't waste your time with thoughts of giving up. It's all in your mind. Let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you anything's possible. Yeah, 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 yeah. Another day comes, another day goes. Some good, some bad, let it all flow. Some people love you, others fear you, cause you carry greatness within you. You got the key, better use it. Find what you need to get through. No worry about nothing, put your hands in the air, cause we're gonna make it through. Don't fail, and don't waste your time with thoughts of giving up. It's all in your mind, but let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you anything's possible. Yeah, 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 yeah. You're the solution to the problems you face. Don't be discouraged. You got what it takes. Open your heart. Let go of the fear. Cause all you need, you got it right here. Ladies and gentlemen, Dean Frazier. I wanna see you put your hands together, come on! And don't waste your time, sing it! Because of giving up, it's all in your mind. Let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you, yeah. It's possible. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Lots of giving up. It's all in your mind. Oh Lord, I said I've got to remind you. Got to remind you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let it go. Jamaica, I'm here to remind you that you are loved and that our best days are not behind us. They're ahead of us, right? They're now. And many years ago, I had the honor of being one of the artists featured on this song, and I feel like it's the most appropriate time just to sing a little piece of this song. So if you guys know it, at home, wherever you are in the world, please sing it with me. Ooh. Jamaica, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Lord, 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 Lord. We shall rise again. We shall rise again. We shall rise again. We shall rise again. Sing it with me. We shall rise again. We shall rise. we sing it, Lord. Don't trouble the water. One more time. Don't trouble the waters. When you're weary, when you're feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when darkness comes and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Sail on, silver girl. Sail away. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. And see how they shine when you need a friend. I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind. We love you, Jamaica. And we have to end this on a little positive note. And it is in our culture to come back fighting and dancing and singing. Yeah? So no want the little dancing and singing with me tonight. Let's go. Jamaica. You take my breath away. If only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. Jamaica, I'll take you there to my secret hideaway. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't know what you do, but when you do, get up, get up, get up, get up, baby. I can't save you from yourself, but I could offer you a new start. And I can't take away your fears, but I could part the lips of your broken heart. Do you want me to take you home and show you what my love can do, baby? Do you the tune. I sing this song just to prove you're so amazing. I want every part of you. The good, the bad, the old and the new. Hear me when I say, I do want to take you home and show you what my love can do. Hey! You take my breath away, if only you would say it's only you and I, and that's the way we'll stay. You there to my secret hideaway. Oh my baby, I'll take you there to my secret hideaway. Baby, baby, I'll take you there. Baby, 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 come with me. Jamaica, we love you. God bless you.
The vibes is right. Help me to introduce and help me to welcome Nadine Sutherland.
This is for all the victims of Hurricane Melissa. We're here for you. Right, Jamaica? Let me hear you say yeah, because we're here for you. Hey, I looked in your eyes and realized that things aren't going your way. Hey, I'm missing the smile, been gone for a while, disappeared one day, but they should know that they should call my name and I'll be there to hold you. Call my name and I'll be there to console you. Please just when times get rough and times get tough, you've had enough. Please just go when times get rough and times get tough. You've had enough. Please just go. Hey, I know you are tired. There's no denying that you need a friend. Hey, please remember that I'll be there. I'll see you till the end. Just call my name and I'll be there to hold you. Call my name and I'll be there to console you. Please just when times get rough and times get tough, you've had enough. Please just go when times get rough and times get tough. You've had enough. Please just go when time gets shaky, just call me. And the people them flick just call me. And the man that up just call me. Right now that the broke just call me. When I touch you again, just call me. Then say I know your friend, just call me. If you have a problem, just call me. And the people that say just call me. Oh, my name and I'll be there to hold you. They just have to call our names. But we know there's brighter days, and I know you guys know this song. This is my personal affirmation, but these are some powerful lyrics because guess what? We're seeing brighter days, right? Are we hoping for brighter days? So everybody know this song? We're singing it because we are affirming that there will be brighter days. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that's been making me blind. Everybody, it's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is a rainbow. There is a rainbow I've been praying for. Cause it's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue sky. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue sky. I think I can make it now. The pain is gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. Help me sing, everybody. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Yes, it's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Yeah, bright, sunshiny day. Yes, it's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. I know they're listening now for this song. But they kind of have a easy to sing. We'll just draw the first part for them. I'm going to come off the stage. I feel it's appropriate to say bedroom to me. Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah. She wants a lover, man. Action. Not a bagama, sweet. We're coming with it. Action. Not a bagama, Melissa, you can't blow it up. You think you are so fine. Stop playing.